Introducing the Midea Celest High Wall Inverter. The epitome of comfort and elegance for your living space. Experience a new level of cooling sophistication with this advanced air conditioning unit. It has powerful cooling performance, with cutting-edge inverter technology, ensuring a comfortable environment even during the hottest days. Smart control. Take control of your comfort with the convenience of smart technology. Advanced air filtration. Breathe in fresh and clean air with the built-in air filtration system. Intelligent features. Tailor your cooling preferences to suit your lifestyle. Here is our selling retail price in Philippine peso. Visit our physical store at 1C217 MBA 217 Building, Doña Soledad Extension, Better Living, Don Bosco, Parañaque City. You may also contact us at 7940069 or 09204142673. Thank you.